Hi, traders. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Did you see it? I experienced my very first trading loss of the year. Yep. So there you have it. A $1,377 loss in PayPal, which I've been trading more frequently as of late, by the way. Now, if you watched very closely, you'll realize that I was actually down as much as $2,800. It was still not very close to my original stop out point, which was actually a little closer to a $6,000 loss in that particular trade. But I did manage to pare that $2,800 loss down and wound up coming out of it just a little shy of $1,400. Now, that loss for me is a relatively small loss. I want you to understand that. As a matter of fact, anything that is $1,500 or less is really more or less a break-even trade for me. But still, a loss in your eyes nonetheless. And to be quite honest with you, I was pretty happy with the trade. I managed my loss. I didn't let it get out of control. I killed it when I really felt that it no longer met the requirement for my short. So I'm pretty happy overall. I mean, let's face it, traders, not all trades can be winners. We all know that. You should know that. Now, traders, not to toot my own horn, but beep beep. All right, guys, so I did narrow my loss down from almost 1,600 and change to almost 1,400, 1,300 and change. But, later this morning, I'll find a moment in something. If my personal history is any indication, I'll probably get that back. All right. Guys, give me a second here. I'm so sorry. Boom. I get it back. I told you. Boom. Alright guys, sorry about that. I just got my loss back on this QCOM play here. I got a $2,300 loss here this morning. Managed to chip away at it. Got myself back into profitable territory here. Okay, traders. Now, there you have it. There you have it. A $2,800 loss winds up being a $370 win. Not bad, not bad at all. Now, I will tell you that the ability to come back from the vast majority of your losing trades, to turn them around into profitable days, is really the hallmark of having achieved one of the highest levels of trading mastery. When we see that ability in a trader, we know that they are really sort of entering that upper echelon of trading mastery. And I was very glad that I was able to demonstrate that ability with my traders today in their faces. Now, what I will be doing with the initial trade that resulted in the loss, the PayPal trade, I'll be taking that trade and going over the specifics with all of my VIP Trading Club members. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that PayPal trade. I'm going to explain the trade itself. I'm going to explain the reasons why I took the trade. And I'm going to explain all the actions I did during the trade and why I think the trade ultimately resulted in a loss. But more importantly, I'm going to delve into the reasons that I believe I could have prevented that loss. Now, I'm always reviewing my losing trades, and I've discovered the single reason that could have prevented the loss. And I'm going to share that with my VIP Trading Club members. I want them to be able to utilize my experiences so that they can incorporate that knowledge from my experiences into their trading plans, into their daily trading, so that they can take their progress to higher and higher heights. So VIP Trading Club members, get ready. Now listen, if you're not part of my VIP Trading Club, you should be. Listen, it's $15 a month. Try it for 1 month. During this 1 month period, you gain access to me, a live trading session together. You get an amazing trading tip, an amazing trading lesson, live trading session with me. You get trade reviews. All of this is exclusive material that does not show up here on YouTube or does not even get shared with any of my other traders. It's unique to you. So if you're not part of that club, you need to be. Try it for 1 month. See how it goes. I promise you, week by week, your level of market sophistication will do nothing but rise. I'll put links in the description below. All you have to do really is go directly to my Facebook page and sign up for the membership from there. Link will be in the description below. Now, for the rest of you, enjoy the rest of your evening. As you know, I will see you not only in the next YouTube video here, but I'll see you in the next trading day tomorrow. Ciao for now. Boom!